Christmas memories.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 2. We posted Vlogmas Day 1 last night at like, I think like 12 o'clock in the morning. It was quite rough.
You want your wing?
My voice is like slowly coming back to normal, which is great. I still like sound like my sinuses are full, but my sinuses are empty, so I think they're just swollen, honestly.
No, you're not having my banana.
Really?
No.
You eat your banana.
You ate your banana, Aspen.
That mean mug that you just saw is like a daily occurrence with Aspen. That's her like, I don't approve of what you said to me face. So you guys will get used to that over the next month, obviously. What happened? Huh? Also last night we did not get to finish decorating the Christmas tree because it ended up being like 10 o'clock before we got the kids to sleep, and that's way past the kids' bedtime. So we let the tree fall out a little bit, which it didn't like do. I don't know, like they wrapped it and it like, they didn't even wrap it tight and it like squeezed it so bad. So
Can you calm down?
I don't know, like maybe I'm gonna like fluff it.
No.
Calm down. Maybe I'm gonna like fluff it by hand, and then we're gonna decorate it tonight. Yeah. So like there was like a little bit of it in last night's vlog.
And then Santa didn't get a present because I think about that in my dream.
Yeah, you did.
And on the bed.
Yeah.
And then I got a caterpillar that you can eat it, but it's not a real toy.
Okay. But so I think that's the plan for tonight. I'm not sure if we're going out or doing anything today. Damien's last day of work for the week is today. So yeah, so basically we'll just go with the flow, see how it goes.
Baba.
Feed the cow. The cow. Jesus freaking Christ.
Isn't it so much fun? Woo!
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Buddy, if you put it on the ground, you don't have to worry about holding it. Is that cool? Okay. Is that cool, him eating out of your hand?
Put your hand
really careful.
Ooh.
Sweet Pea might come over.
Watch out, Elsa.
What are
Watch
you
out.
doing? Oh. She's rearing up because the dogs are standing there.
Come here.
Oh,
Hi, babies.
she's going to come around the other side. She wants to get some, honey.
It's okay. Let Sissy have some.
She doesn't get big handfuls, but I didn't get a ton of it either because I don't want them eating too much.
It's okay. Let Sissy have some.
There's a little bit left. I asked her if she wanted to help share and see if you wanted to do that since you were digging. And I think she thought we all yelled at her, and I know we didn't yell.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.
Ready? Here you go. Try to put it really far back so it doesn't break, okay?
Okay.
Because you both didn't go for the same one.
Should I write him back and tell him I get it? He goes on. My question for you is...
Whoa. See you, Daddy.
Whoa! Good job!
See you.
See you.
This is you.
Okay.
No, this one is mine.
Here you go, Aspen.
Mama.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Do you need help?
No, I got it. This one will not break. Right.
Yay! Okay, go for a different branch, okay?
Yay.
Are you gonna do the cheetah? Cheetah? How about you do... This one needs to go on very carefully, okay? Very carefully.
All the way.
Yes, all the way.
Wow! Yay!
Look at it!
Yay!
Look at it!
Yay!
That's when you were in my belly.
Everybody.
In my belly. Okay. You need help? Yeah, but don't try to break it.
Not mine doing this. See if I could.
Okay, this is good.
Whoa!
Okay, that was your last one.
Too much shit on the floor.
Did you find another one? You got it?
I got it.
You got it.
Mommy! This one won't hang on.
You need help? Oh, that's because it's so tiny. Got a tiny one here. Let's put it right. Oh gosh!
Go.
It's pain.
No, me.
We're not gonna put these. You can try. Here, you wanna try that one? Why are the like branches like going like this? Like why are they like?
Yeah.
That's all done. You didn't put those two on. Not that one. That one's last. Put it all the way on, as far as you can go. Here, you want help, Aspen? With the ones over here?
I did it all the way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here.
Ooh.
Oh,
Aspen, you want help? On. It's Bobo's! Yay! This one up here.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is